Hello friends, welcome to Agriculture Current Affair June. Sorry for our late video, but this is very important, so I have not missed it. It is very important for IBPS, AFO, NABARD, RRB, SO, AAO, HO, AO and all other agriculture examination. All other examination in which agriculture plays the vital role for them, agriculture current affair is important. Now come to the first important question of Agriculture Current Affair June. Before starting this session, I will ask one question from you as same as always. Name the state recently in May 2022 become the top sugar producer in India. Options are Maharashtra, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh or Andhra Pradesh. Comment your answer. I will give the answer in the last. Okay, I am waiting for your comment. Now come to the second important question of Agriculture Current Affair June. One of the most important question is in May 2022 PM Narendra Modi inaugurated world first nano urea liquid plant by Indian Farmer Fertilizer Cooperative at Gujarat. Which was that place? Okay, the question is which is that place? Options are Kalol, Vadodara, Rajkot, Ahmedabad, Surat. The correct answer will be the Kalol. Now come to the explanation of this question to understand it in the brief. Now come to the explanation. The Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi inaugurated world first nano urea liquid plant by the Farmer Fertilizer Corporation Limited, that is IFCO, at Kalol, Gujarat. This facility was dedicated to the nation during the ceremony held at Mahatma Mandir, Gandhinagar in Gujarat. Now it is the important point. With this inauguration, India has become first country globally to start commercial production of nano urea. Kalol plant has been set up with an investment of 175 crore and the plant produces approx 1.5 lakh 500 ml bottle of nano urea per day, and 8 more such plant will be established in the India in coming days. Okay, now what type of question in examination they can ask? First question they can ask that name the country who have set up the commercial production of nano urea. Then India is the country who has set up this. Okay, or they can ask where the commercial production of nano urea is being done in India. Then it will be the Kalol, Gujarat. Okay, who have inaugurated the India's first nano urea commercial plant? Then Prime Minister Narendra Modi. These are the important questions that they can ask with you. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is which cabinet committee recently in June 2022 has approved the increase in the minimum support price MSP for all mandated kharif crops for marketing season 2022 to 2023? The options are Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs, Cabinet Committee on Investment and Growth, Cabinet Committee on Political Affairs, Cabinet Committee on Accommodation. The correct answer will be the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Now come to the explanation of this question. Now understand the explanation. The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved increase in the minimum support price for all mandated kharif crops for marketing season 2022-23 to ensure remunerative price to the growers for the produce and encourage crop diversification. Okay, now understand what type of question they can ask with you. First question they will ask who is the chairperson of Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Then it is chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. For which season MSP has been increased? It has been increased with the kharif crops. Okay, why the MSP of the kharif crops is increased? To support the growers and for the crop diversification. Okay, these are the important questions that can be asked in your examination. Now come to the another important question for this month. Another important question of this session is Syngenta India has recently in June 2022 signed an agreement with Agriculture Insurance Company of India to safeguard chili farmers in which state? Options are Punjab, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana, Kerala or Tamil Nadu. The correct answer will be the Andhra Pradesh. Now come to the explanation. This explanation is very much important. Syngenta India, a agri-tech company, vegetable seed division, has entered into an exclusive agreement with the Agriculture Insurance Company of India to safeguard chili farmers in Guntur, Andhra Pradesh from unfavorable price fluctuation due to unpredictable market conditions. This is the first initiative for the crop protection against market fluctuation. Until now, the compensation was being given due to natural calamities. About 2000 farmers of Achampet, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh has been growing Syngenta hot pepper hybrid, that is HPH 5531, in an average landhold of 2 acres with an insurance cover of 1.5 lakh per acres. Now understand it very much carefully. This is first initiative. Okay, till now company is giving compensation due to the natural calamities, but in this type of agreement, this is the first type of agreement in which company is going to give compensation in against the market fluctuation. Okay, many different type of questions that can be made from this explanation, or this is very much important. First thing, which company is providing this much cover to the farmers? Then Syngenta India is providing. Okay, how many farmers are there in Achampet, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh growing the Syngenta hot hybrid pepper? Okay, there is 2000 farmers. Which variety they are growing? They are growing HPH 5531. Once read this, once download this from our Telegram channel and read this very carefully. Okay, or you can download the PDF from agriguru.in, download it and read all the explanation very carefully. Now come to the next important question. Another important question is, name the bank that in recently June 2022 a digital renewal scheme for Kisan credit card holders. Okay, this is digital renewal scheme for Kisan credit card holders. Options are Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, State Bank of India, Indian Bank, Canara Bank, and the correct answer will be the Indian Bank. Now come to the explanation, in that we will understand in depth. Now the explanation of the important answer is, Indian Bank launched the Kisan Credit Card digital renewal scheme for the renewal of KCC account by customer themselves through IB's INDO SIS mobile app, internet banking portals and Indian Bank website, and also through the message for the featured phone. This is the launch. This is launched currently for the customer having outstanding loan of 1.60 lakh as a part of Indian Bank digital transformation. This project is World of Advanced Virtual Experience, that is WAVE. Now understand what type of question they can ask you from this explanation. They can ask the bank name, name the bank who have launched the digital renewal scheme for credit card, then it will be the Indian Bank. Okay, second question, they can ask direct app name, as you have seen in IBPS AFO and in NABARD and in RRB also, they directly used to ask the name of the app. Okay, so then you have to remember the name of the app. Okay, they can ask that without app how farmers can update through the website, Indian Bank website, and through the future phone by SMS, doing the SMS also. For whom this scheme is launched? For this is launched for the customer who have outstanding loan of 1,60,000, more than 1,60,000. Okay, and under which project it is launched? It is launched under the project of World of Advanced Virtual Experience, that is WAVE. Okay, these things are important. Now come to the answer of the first question that I have asked you to answer. Answer of the first question is Maharashtra. Maharashtra has become the India's top sugar producer in 5-year gap, followed by the Uttar Pradesh. Means first one is the Maharashtra, second one is the Uttar Pradesh. During the current session in 2021-22, the state is crushing highest amount of the cane and producing the highest ever amount of the sugar. Okay, the first is the amendment rainfall has been received since the start of 2019 and southwest monsoon till June to September. This is important. Those who have answered correctly, then very good. Now come to the most important section of this video. Many students used to ask us that this is the complete current affair of the month. No, this is not complete current affair of the month. These are only important questions that we have picked from the bunch of questions. Means there is more than 100 questions per month, and from that we have picked some important questions. You can download complete current affair PDF from the agriguru.in. Thank you so much for your giving your time, and you can share this video and tell us that what more topic we should cover for your exam preparation. Comment down. Thank you so much.